In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Calendar for better weekly planning and a more focused day-to-day view. To get started, open Google Calendar in Chrome. Using Chrome helps ensure that everything loads smoothly and that the layout matches what you're most likely to see in tutorials and support guides. Once Google Calendar is open, take a moment to make sure you're on your main calendar screen where you can see your schedule clearly. This is the best place to make the changes that will support your planning routine. Next, create a distinct, dedicated time slot at the end of every week to plan out the next 7 days. This is a simple habit, but it can make a huge difference in how organized and prepared you feel. Choose a time near the end of your week that you can consistently protect, such as late Friday afternoon or Sunday evening, depending on your schedule. The key is to make it recurring, so it becomes part of your regular routine instead of something you try to remember each week. When you create this planning block, give it a clear title that tells you exactly what it's for, such as weekly planning or plan next 7 days. You can also make it visually distinct by choosing a specific color so it stands out from meetings, appointments, and reminders. That makes it easier to spot at a glance and helps reinforce that this is important time, not empty space to fill with something else. During this session, you can review deadlines, schedule priorities, and make sure your upcoming week is realistic and balanced. After that, switch your default layout view to custom 3-day view. This setting is especially useful if you want to stay focused on what's directly in front of you without feeling overwhelmed by a full week or month view. A 3-day layout gives you enough visibility to prepare for what's next, while still keeping your attention on immediate tasks and commitments. Look for the calendar view options and change the layout so that your default view becomes the custom 3-day format. Once that's set, your calendar will open in a way that supports short-term focus every time you come back to it. This can be especially helpful if you manage a busy schedule and want a clearer picture of today, tomorrow, and the day after. With these changes in place, your calendar becomes more than just a list of events. It becomes a practical system for planning ahead and staying focused on what matters most.